Okay, back out in the Susquehanna. Dad Jason brought the boys down today, and we're here chasing channel cats. So Colton and Harrison in the back there. Hopefully we'll get some fish on board here in the near future. Looking for the Lord to bless us with another good day. Yep, number 3. Perfect. Somebody clear the outside right. Fish on. Outside right. Either hold it high or bring it in. There you go. Nice job. Put it right back in the same rod holder. Same rod holder. Yep. Keep an eye on number 1 there.
Keep a little bend in there, buddy.
Yep. So when we're fighting these fish, we want to have our rod tip lower to the water. That way you keep their head in the water and they don't throw the hook as often. Bring your rod tip towards me, bud. No, your rod tip. You stay where you are. You just pull him towards me. You don't have to reel all the time. Just pull him towards me. Pull your rod tip. Keep it coming. I think he got you snagged on the bottom. You got him? That's a nice fish, dude. Okay. Got to get his head up one more time for him. Don't reel anymore. Just raise his head. That's crazy if we get this fish. No idea what he was tangled in, but we got him, man. That's amazing. He swallowed the hook on us by now, but way to go. What a battle. Nice job. Yep, hit him. Next time he has that bent that far, go ahead and try to get him. If he moves that, that 4 or 5 inches like he was, that's a good time to set the hook. Okay, get on him. Reel, clear the outside rod, please. Hold it higher or whatever you got to do.
You want to move it, Harry?
Yeah, bring that one in. That one's short anyway. Yep, Coop, bring yours to the left. Keep them out of the other rods.
I'll take that one.
You can boat flip him. Just don't reel anymore. Just bring him right to me. Lift him up into the boat. Good job. All right, way to go. Good patience.
That was a good one, Harry. Coops. Underneath him, Harry.
There you go. Nice job, fellas. Put that back in the same rod holder. Same rod holder. Same rod holder. All right, bring him right in. All right, little guy. But we're back on him, hopefully. Number 1.
There you go, Coops.
Okay, still nobody's buying dinner.
Oh, you're already on the outside. What am I doing?
Sounds like we ought to get the net, Dad.
Yeah.
I heard a whoa.
At least I don't have to say keep him away from the prop, huh?
Right.
Bring him up, Coops.
You got him. Nice job, fellas. That's a good fish. Okay, we got this one. We got another one coming in. Oh boy. I don't have this one out of the net yet. Still nobody's buying dinner. Dad, you're on the hook.
Yeah.
Oh, we should use the net on this one too. We're going to make a heck of a mess here. This one's already tangled in the net. Bring him to the net. I hear you grunting.
Double, huh?
Double. We'll get a picture of them. Way to go, fellas. Don't even put the net in until the fish gets close.
Right.
Yeah, I'd boat flip that one. Try to keep them from getting tangled. Keep tension on them. Keep tension on them. Good job. At least the hook didn't get tangled. Sounds decent.
What are you supposed to yell, Howard, when you hook one?
Fish on. Okay, good job. Decent one too. Talking at you. No.
I'm getting a milkshake too, Harrison. Well, I thought the one right there in the corner, but maybe it was just from the boat.
Clear the outside.
You want to take it, Harry?
Ready to lose them.
Oh. Oh, coops.
Get them.
Go, go! What are you waiting for?
Keep pressure on them. Keep pressure. Good.
Go.
Is it tangled with two? If not, two's getting bit. Yeah, just boat flip him. Thank you.
What's he look like, Harry?
Looks like a netter.
Dad's up.
And the big fish of the day. You have to get a couple more cranks on them.
Yep. Get your sinker up closer to the end.
All right, that should be enough. Slowly bring them to your dad. Keep him coming, over his head. Nice. Way to go, man. That's a good one. New big fish of the day there. Just put it back in one, or four, I'm sorry, thank you. Go ahead and try to boat flip them. Nice job. Okay, good. All right, fish on. Clear four. Work him to the right. You got to bring that four in fast or you're going to get tangled. You're bringing them over top of yours. Good job. Another one. Okay, we got a double hooked up here. Keep yours left, Coop. we got two decent ones. Bring your rod tip lower here. There you go. Rod tip lower, Coop. Keep his head in the water. There you go. When he swims to you, go fast with him. If not, just wait till he comes to you.
Which one do you think want to show that?
The biggest, but I don't know. I thought Coop's was, but now Harrison's looks good too.
That's okay, Aaron.
All right, I think Coop's is here.
Reel up to the sinkers up.
Oh yeah, that's the bigger one of the two. Might be new big fish of the day. Keep your rod tip low, Harrison, so your head stays in the water. We gotta get this big one first.
I don't want to knock them off, Coops.
There he is. Okay, that's in.
Oh my God, I can barely lift the net.
Uh-oh. Okay. Stay in the boat. Another good one. Look at this double. Way to go, fellas. Alright, I'll start working on it and then we'll get a picture. Nice job, guys. Good. We made a move to our last stop. Got set up here a couple minutes and we're hooked up. I think it's a decent fish.
Just lift it up and go underneath it. Don't knock the fish off. There you go.
Now keep your line up in the air so we don't get the net tangled. Good, I got him. Thank you. All right, number two, fish on, fish on.
Go, Har, go!
Another double. Work him left, work him left.
Out of the camera. Alright, ready to sink. Alright, you don't know.
There we go. Another double.
I think mine's bigger though.
I don't think so. Playing Dr. Seuss here. One fish, two fish, three fish.
Should I just let him flop on the boat, or?
Can I just put it?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
yeah,
boat
it's a
flip
little
him. Yep. All right, there we go. Three of them. All right.
Get it out of him, Coops.
Come on.
I think you lost him. Go fast. Nope, he's still there. He was running right at you. You got to bring him to the right, bud.
Awesome.
Or hand him to your brother and go underneath them.
Yeah, hand him to Cooper and let him go underneath.
Another decent fish.
Yeah. Hold your pop. You're good. You're good.
Put your rod tip in the water. Don't let him rub on that boat. There you go. Hold above that cork. That cork's turning on you. There he is. There you go. Now you won't hear that clicking.
You're good. You're good. Hold on. Don't reel anymore.
No, don't reel anymore. All you got to do is raise him real slow. Just slow and steady.
Your sinker's all the way up top.
Bring the rod tip towards me. Keep it coming towards me. Raise it higher. There you go.
Oh, Dad.
Swing and a miss.
Come again.
Alright, we got another nice one. He looks like he swallowed it. Drop the net. Wow, that's a heavy one, guys. Good job. Okay, we're down to one. Just boat flip him. Only one rod fishing right now. Got him. Yep, just one.
I think I can just get it on the boat.
He's still lively. All right, all right.
All right, hand me number 1 so I can bait that one up. We have no rods fishing.
Don't hold on to that pole.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bait up. Put it back in the same holder once he clears you.
Came in quick.
Do I need the knife?
Boat flip. Good job. Perfect.
Came right off.
Yeah.